Today, you are going to be taking the aReading test in English class. This is a test that we have taken once before during trimester 1, and we will be taking it a third time in the spring. The aReading test has replaced the previous MAP test we used to take in past years. It is a standardized test meant to measure your growth throughout the year. So we will be looking at how you did in the fall and comparing it to how you are doing now in the winter. We are hoping that your score will show growth. This test is required for all Osseo Middle School students. So if for some reason you are unable to take it today, we will have you try and take it later this week. Please know that your score on this does not impact your trimester 2 English grade. The score is used by teachers to determine if you are learning. So please do your best on this test so that it accurately reflects your growth in English. In order to get to the test, you will start in Schoology and you will click on the Clever login at the bottom of today's folder. You might already have Clever bookmarked on your Chromebook, in which case you can also click on that bookmark. If Clever requires you to log in, you are going to use your school username and password. This is the same username and password you use to get into your Chromebook and into Schoology. Your Chromebook might automatically log you in to Clever if it's been bookmarked. Once you are in Clever, you need to locate this icon. It'll have these little arrows made of dots and is called Illuminate Education FastBridge. So once you locate this icon on your opening page in Clever, simply click on it. If you are presented with an option of different tests to take in this app, make sure you click on the aReading test. This is the only test we will be taking in this class. Please know that as you complete this test, you should be using the audio option. Some of the questions are meant to be heard and not read. So if you notice that the question has answers where there are no actual answers, that means that the answers are going to be read aloud to you. So make sure that you click on this headphone button to get the audio read aloud to you. The green arrow is what you use to start the test and move through the test all the way to the end. So if you are at the opening screen, simply clicking the green arrow should push you into the test all the way through until it tells you that you are done. At that point, your score will be sent directly to your teachers. If you have problems during the test, quite often these can be hit by simply clicking the refresh button. So if the test doesn't seem to want to start, hit refresh. If it pauses in the middle, try to click refresh. Now, if you simply cannot get the test to work at all, no matter what you've tried, please contact Mrs. Borkerding either in a Schoology message or send her an email. Exit out of the test if you really cannot get through it, and use this extra time to go work on your anchor unit. You will be expected to complete the test at some point this week.